everybody, it's Shannon here, Art Junkie. I got the next part of my AliExpress order. I ordered over the last couple of months. Let's see what we got here. See what we got here. Okay, here's some clips, sewing clips. Those sewing clips. These are good. Figure those out. See what else we got here. See what else we got here. The scissors. This is, oh, nice. And some more super cheap dies, some stitch hearts. See what this is. Oh, these are big ones. Wow. Oh, these are big, really big. I'm gonna put this on my art journal. Look at the size of these ones. Bells. Buddha bells. Meditation bells. Very cool. There's another one. There. Alright, next. It's like surprise package. Forget what I order, so it's like a super surprise. Let's see what we got in this one. Ooh, we got some beads. There's some, these are pretty. Those pretty. And these ones. I use these for jewelry, for junk journal jewelry, and also to make some, to make, crocheted stuff. Oh my god, these are little. These are also little all the time when you get them. These are like just little. My hands are numb today because I crocheted all night. I'm going to show you what I made in a bit. Hold on. See, these are just little. There's an owl. Ooh, that's for Becky. Some butterflies. Crosses. That one's for, who would that be for? Little, that would be for my daughter. Little thing there. Super cute. Everything's so small when you order there. It looks big when you look at it, but then when you get it, it's super tiny. everything except for the bells. The bells I thought would be smaller, and they're huge. That's funny. Ooh, what's next in the basket? Ooh, this is more beads. See what we got here. Oh, more beads. Oh, these are pretty. These are really pretty. Aren't they pretty? That's pretty. I'm gonna use these. I'm gonna make myself a bracelet right here, and I'm gonna put one of these on there. I'll find one that works for me. Put that on. That's pretty. Love that. I just broke a bracelet. I forget where it is. It's over on the other side there. What's this? Oh. This is some skis. I think that's from winter time, from Christmas, when I had some dangles at Christmas time. Oh, my fingers are totally numb. Okay. Get a bead here too. All right, next in the box, the last one. Yeah, last one. That's fun. Okay. Let's see. Last one. Yes, need these. These are for these. Need those for, hold on a second, I'll be right back. Hold on. These here, need to put on here. They keep falling apart on the platen paper. So that's that plan. What I gotta do today. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm glad that was dry. Fell in the basket, fell in there. All right, there we are. Now, I want to show you what I've been doing, show what's given me the... Why my hands are numb. I've been doing a little crocheting, little things here to add to my journals and cards. Here's a little circle. Okay, so I got this one. I made this little circle. Made this little circle. This one's this, I don't know, it looks more like a... Need to go around a little more, I think. It's kind of lopsided, eh? That one I won't use. Oh, look at this cute little flower. Or this could be a butterfly too, eh? Could be a butterfly. Put a little thing here. I just thought about that. There's a little flower. Not cute. Love this one. Here's one. A little flower. Here's another little flower. I like this one too. And I started a mandala. This is the first section of it. I have a lot more to go. This is why my fingers and thumb are numb. I was up doing this all night. Isn't it pretty? Yeah, so I got some more to go on this. So that is that. I hope you enjoyed that haul. That was fun. Look at the size of this bell. I'm gonna put it on here. It's gonna dangle from here. along with some of these. Yeah, maybe some of these. That's gonna be fun. So I hope you guys have a great day. I might do a flip through later on. I'm not sure. We'll see how I'm feeling. Tomorrow is Saturday. I have Saturday shoutouts. Tomorrow is 4th Art Saturday, so I have a video coming out for that. My subject matter is text. And I have a live tomorrow at 2 p.m. So I hope you enjoy that. Take care, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.